How can a simple metal plate installed inside a pipeline help us measure the flow of liquid or gas? The answer is an Orifice Plate. It creates a controlled restriction in the pipeline, producing a pressure difference that can be measured and used to determine flow. An orifice plate is a thin plate with a precisely machined opening or bore installed in a process pipeline. When fluid passes through these restrictions, a pressure difference develops across the plate. The differential pressure can then be used to determine the flow rate. The orifice plate itself is relatively simple. It has a machined bore, mounting hole, and suitable material selected according to the process service. It is normally installed between pipe flange as part of the flow measurement assembly. When fluid approaches the orificial plate, it is forced through the smaller opening. The flow velocity changes and the pressure difference develops between the upstream and downstream sides. The pressure difference is called different pressure or DP. The key principle is that under the appropriate operating condition, flow through an orifice is related to the square root of the differential pressure. A DP transmitter measures the pressure difference and the flow calculation is then performed using the appropriate instrument configuration. Fluid properties and installation parameters show higher differential pressure generally corresponds to higher flow. The orifice plate is commonly used together with a differential pressure transmitter. The transmitter receives pressure from the high pressure and low pressure side of the orifice assembly. It measures the differential pressure and provides a signal that can be used by the control system to display or calculate flow. Orifice flow measurement can be affected by installation and instrumentation problem. Examples include correct installation, blocked impulse lines, leakage, damage or incorrect plates, and incorrect transmitter configuration or calibration. Regular inspection and following approved engineering standards and plant procedures are important for reliable measurement. Easiest way to remember an orifice flow measurement system is the orifice plate creates the pressure difference, the DP transmitter measures the differential pressure, the control system uses the measured DP and the appropriate flow calculation to determine the flow rate. So remember, restrict DP flow. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for more practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, instrumentation, process control, maintenance and safety.